I'm gonna make a mark here. I want you to come over here. I'm gonna hold the square in place. So we're gonna put the knife into the mark, slide the square up against it, and then mark along it. So one light, you do another one on there. Get your pointer finger up here like you're holding a pencil. Good. I'm gonna keep it up like this. I don't want to bring it down like this. So I keep it up so the point is cutting. And we're gonna cut like that. Nope, get behind it. Turn like this. There you go. Thumbs forward. There you go. A little longer strokes. There you go. Learn control first, and then you can get speed.
No.
Yeah. No, watch. There you go. There you go. See, I'm off a little bit. See those two dimples? So now I'm going to put that point right in between those two dimples. And that lets me know that's exactly center of the board. And so half of the half of the half is 1/8. So we're going to put that mark right there. There. And there. There's our center points for those two holes. 2 1/4 inches is here. So that's one edge of the board. And I'm going to mark this because it's a little bit harder. I'm going to mark here. Mark here. Clamp this down.
I have to be so squeaky.
Because I need to oil it.
Now, I got to break in here for a moment. This clock kit came from clockkits.com, and they actually gave this one to my daughter so that she could make it. And yes, my daughter will have a video on her channel as well. But if you would like one of these, they're actually offering a 10% off code. There's a link to it down in the description down below. And so if you want to buy anything on their website, from clock kits to plans and other things like that, go ahead and take a look at that. Let's get back to building this.
And then we're going to chisel out all these holes.
Yep.
It's starting to pop down.
Crank it, babe.
I'm trying. It's difficult.
There you go.
There we go.
I'll come back a little bit closer to the line.
Teeny bit.
Oop, not that hard, not that hard. It works, but not that hard. Okay, again. Okay. Okay. Keep going. Okay, give it a light tap. Oop, wait. Okay, light tap. Okay, again. Hey, look at that, it's in. Again. Again. There we go. Here. Look what I'm doing, Mel. Figure it out.
Why is the drill bit so small?
And blow out the back. Blow out the barrel. Okay, crank it.
I said earlier that the holes were going to be much bigger. Might take up the space.
Keep going.
Not just at the corners. Whatever it's called can also fit in.
Yep. My hand is going straight up and down. It's not going like this. It's going straight up and down. Or at least I'm trying to go straight up and down. Just like that.
And keep it straight.
See,
It's
now you're
getting caught on me.
Yeah, it's because you're going with the grain, so it's a little harder. Keep going.
Stuck.
Yep, you're fine.
I can't get.
Almost there. There you go. Don't hit it hard. Oop, hit it too late. Okay, tap, tap, tap. There we go. Now. Okay, let's try this one. It's upside down. How's that look, Mel? This one goes up here. But here's the question. See, that one's going to need a little dimple. Oh, no, it's a little loose, so we need to put the foam underneath that one. Just like that. Drop.
Why does super glue dry so fast?
That corner?
Like this?
Can you get enough? Yep, right there. Okay, clamp the corner.
Oop.
Find the one that says 1/2 inch. Just a little ways, so something like that. So let's clamp you down right there and see how that looks. See, like that. That's all we need. Okay, Google, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, crank it down.
Halves and the halves.
That's the way it works. Okay, then we need to put one of these in the bottom of each of those holes we just drilled.
Okay. This is so small. So small.
That'll work. Those just protect the points of the glass when they're down. Here, get down and look underneath. Line it up with the big hole, the rectangular hole. There you go. Squeeze it down. It is 7 7/8, so this needs to go down 1/8 inch more. So the question is, we're not hitting that. See, that's held in there nicely. I like that.
Okay.
Just over 3/4. Just over 3/4. 2,
3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 7, 8, 9.
mark in right the corner. That way we know right where it meets. See how that works, Mel?
Yes.
Finding the sharp spot. There we are. And that, you can smooth that around.
We got some on the edge.
That's what I want to do. But don't get it out.
Ooh.
Put super glue on there. This way. Just like, there's one side. There you go. There you go, just like that. This one's gonna go right here.
But not clamp.
That's right. Okay, squeeze it down. Squeeze. Come on, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Here, I'll
Yeesh. Looks
that
like
cool?
there's a very high chance of rain.
take them off, Mel.
How do we do this?
Squeeze this thing down. There you go.
There we go.
Boiled linseed oil. Okay, how do you apply it? Here, I'm gonna look.
It's probably not because there was snow.
Melody, I'm saying it's a good guess that it's not. Oops. Here. Why don't you let me wipe, babe? Very carefully. And they go on like that. So here. You know, don't touch the bottom. There you go.
Right there.
And then here, you want to put this one in? This one goes in like that.
I can't get
So you think, Mel, you like it? Yeah.
It's actually going.
Yeah. It's actually a protective cover on here we can pull off. So there you have it. This is a seriously fun project to make with kids, and it is a lot of fun. So if you'd like to do this with one of your kids, you can actually get the exact same kit from clockkits.com. I'll leave a link to that down below. And they actually provided this to Melody to build, and so the two of us could have a little bit of fun with it. So if you want to do that, they're also offering a 10% off discount code to all of their kits and plans and other parts. So I'll leave links to that down below. You can see all of that in the description. So if you'd like to build that, jump into it. It makes a fantastic chance to get together with kids and have a bit of fun trying something new and seeing things through their eyes. Also, if you'd like to see it through Melody's eyes, she has a whole channel, and we'll have a video coming out very soon where she actually talks through what she's doing and explains it from a kid's point of view. And that is a great way if you want to get your kids into woodworking. Show them her videos from her point of view. Links to that down below, and it might spark some interest. So I hope you like that. If you do, hit like, comment, share, subscribe. Really, that does help out the channel. And thank you for that. That really is a great way to help us grow and become more than we are today. If you'd also like to go a step farther, everyone scrolling over here on the side, they are patrons on Patreon. And I want to say a huge thank you to all the patrons on Patreon, also people who click that little join button and become a member here on YouTube. Without you guys, this channel wouldn't exist. So thank you for helping us grow. I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. And the best thing about this particular kit is it has all of this fun science-y thing on there, and it's turning my daughter into a meteorologist. Every day she's like, ooh, it's not gonna rain today. The crystals aren't very high. Ooh, look at the temperature on here. Oh, look at the barometer. I was trying to get her into woodworking, but now I got her into meteorology.